Okay, welcome to our members here. Today is Monday, November 19, and I wanted to show you our four EA Willie box trades that we took this morning in the Asian market. By the way, all four trades were positive. So the first trade that you're looking at is the Euro Aussie. You can see that on the 60-minute and the 15 we had blue candles, as well as the 5. We triggered on a buy 84.35. Initial stop loss of 12 pips. Our target was 15, and you can see that I took profit at 14 pips, and at the time I took profit, the stop loss had automatically moved up to +1. Okay, and that was a good trade because you can see right after we took profit, the price kind of plunged. Okay, so the second trade that we took was an Aussie dollar trade as well in the Asian session. You can see here it was all lined up, blue, blue, and blue. We took a break of the 103.58 swing high. My target was 12 pips. However, we went meandering sideways here for quite a while. And actually, I had another trade, the dollar yen, that both closed in profit. So at that time, I just wanted to close out my third trade. And that's the reason I closed out this trade at 2 pips, 2.7. Target of 12, stop loss of 12. You can see eventually it would hit our target. And the third, this is actually the fourth trade, also an Aussie dollar. You can see that we triggered off an EA. I just set it on automatic and it triggered here on the buy, break of that swing high. It took us in at 103.65. Target of 12, which would eventually hit. But you see, I just decided to take profits at +6.8. And then the other trade was the dollar yen. Again, everything was set up here. Candles are blue, blue, and blue. I just let the EA do its work. I just set it on, and you can see it bought the swing high, 81.46. The target was 12 pips, and it hit it right on the nose. 13 pip stop, and you can see right after we limited out, the price on the dollar then collapsed. Okay, so right now we're 4 trades, 4 out of 4. So let's talk about the setups. We have a setup here on the pound dollar. I just set the EA to buy at 158.22. It's got a stop of 12 pips. Okay, there's other setups here for the Aussie yen, Euro dollar. Everything's a buy. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. But we're just gonna wait for the London market to open, and we'll check back in a few minutes then to see if any of these will trigger. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap it up for today. We did have 4 successful trades in the Asian session. However, during the London Open and Frankfurt, I was looking to go long, and none of our trade setups appeared. The market actually cycled to the downside, so that's not a setup that I would like to take. The only short setup that we had was a possible sell on the Euro Aussie. You can see on this chart. Our Willie box entry here was a sell at 23.07 with an 11 pip stop. You can see it hit +10. And that trade would be over by now because of this double bottom. If I was in this trade, I would be taking profit. But I decided to preserve our capital. That's our #1 goal. So we have no trades for London, but we end up with 34 pips today. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.